The Mardi Gras maiden voyage was July 31st, 2021. At the end of this meandering hallway is Stateroom 9219. Just inside the door on the left there's a thermostat control panel and energy-saving light switches that require a card inserted to turn the lights on. On the opposite wall are two big closets with some nice features that I have not seen on other Carnival cruise ships I've been on, such as shelves that you can fold into the wall, pull-out storage, and a full-length mirror. The closets are not exactly the same, but one has a longer place for like dinner attire and the other has a safe. The bathroom is pretty standard but does have an actual door in the shower instead of a curtain. This is nice but does not provide for much airflow when trying to dry clothes and the line in there. There is a nice amount of storage space under the bed for luggage, which allows for easier movement around the room. On the far side of the room there is a sitting area with a couch. The couch turns into a bed and folded up into the ceiling is a top bunk. This room only accommodates 4 people, but there are rooms that fit 5. Across from the couch there is a mini fridge. There are also 3 drawers in the vanity and an extra light that can be turned on around the mirror. There are a good number of plugs and USB ports on the vanity as well, and a storage ottoman with a lid that can double as a tray. At the head of the bed there are switches that control the room's lights, except for the one around the vanity. There are also more USB ports next to each side of the bed, as well as a tiny table and a reading light. Overall, it's a very comfortable room for 2 people. It would be a little tight for 4, but still manageable. These rooms were definitely designed with more usability in mind, and I like what Carnival has done with their rooms.